strength, determination, persistence, and confidence count your success. And certainly, hard work is the key to success. Yes, indeed, it's time to celebrate all the hard work endeavored by you, the intellectual stars of ology, which has led to this joyous occasion. A very good evening to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you all to celebrate the achievements and talents of the outstanding performances showcased by our Ologians. Let us begin the jubilation ceremony by invoking God's blessings. It is not joy that makes us grateful, it's gratitude that makes us joyful. It is this feeling of gratitude that makes us lift our hearts in prayer to God before we start the program. We have Miss Sujata of Grade 8 for the prayer song.
Thank you, Sujata. Words are the rose petals that are sprinkled with fragrance to invite one another with a warm greeting. Not merely words, our heartfelt feeling filled with emotions add flavor to welcome you. Now we have Miss Anishri of Grade 9 to welcome the gathering.
Succeeding in life is as simple as being a good student. All you have to do is pay attention, work hard and give it a best shot. Good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of Ology Tech School, I extend a very warm and hearty welcome to all of you present here. It is my pleasure to welcome you all and celebrate the achievements and talents of the outstanding performances showcased by the intellectual minds of our school. Ology truly believes that good education plays a crucial role in building a bright future for our children. Therefore, here we are committed to provide an atmosphere to our students where they all can imbibe good values and learn new things every day. I am extremely glad at the fact that our school management, heads as well as teachers are leaving no stone unturned in working towards this direction. On this important occasion, we get a chance to virtually celebrate this success achieved through the sheer hard work and perseverance of both our young learners as well as teachers. Children are our future, and to brighten each one of their potentials, we need to bring up the hidden talents of our children. Taking this very thought further, the school management has come up with a novel idea of appreciating the students who have excelled in their academics. We take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chairman Sir, our respected Director Sir, our beloved Director Ma'am, our Mentor Ma'am and our HM Ma'am to the virtual jubilation ceremony, and we are indeed thankful for the unstinted support rendered to attain excellence in all walks of life. We would now like to heartily welcome all the teachers who have put in a lot of efforts in grooming and developing the personalities of the young talents of our young learners. We heartily extend a warm welcome to our dear parents who have worked equally hard to support our children in their studies, homework, revision part and remain to be a continuous support system even during this pandemic and throughout the journey of the first term. Last but not the least, we would also like to welcome all the young brimming learners, the leaders of tomorrow for this ceremony of jubilation. I once again extend my warm welcome to everyone to the virtual jubilation ceremony of appreciating the talents of worthy students. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Harini, for your warm note of welcome. Dance is the most beautiful form of expression of emotion. Dance is the joy of movement and the heart of life. Dancers are the messengers of the gods. Now we have Miss Madangi of grade 8 to amuse us with her exemplary performance.
That was indeed a lovely performance. How captivating poetry of footsteps, a blend of cosmic tunes and divine music. Thank you, Miss Madangi. It's a day full of joy and exhilaration as we celebrate the victory of our Ologians. The stage is all set up to unfold the virtual celebration of jubilation. Now we have Padma ma'am to applaud the stupendous victory of our grade 1 intellects.
Good evening, one and all present here. I am extremely proud and happy to present the grade 1 children's achievement in the post-test held between 4th and 8th of January. I call out the names of our little stars with A-star ranks. Agneya Narayanan, Aditi Balasubramanian, Alagananda, Angel Mary Lijo, Delisha Abdul, Dev Anand, Guru Rishi, Jotam Kumar Manuel, Kovid Banerjee, Manish Ashwin, Mridula, Netra, Nilasha, Sai Saran, Shivarya, and Syed Zain Abdullah. Dear children, we appreciate and applaud you for the hard works and efforts you have put in and make extraordinary progress. Here comes the centum holders of grade 1. Jotham Kumar Manuel has secured centum in English, Math, EVS, Tamil and Hindi. Delisha has scored centum in English, Math, EVS and Tamil. Guru Rishi has scored centum in Math, EVS, Tamil and Hindi. Kovid Banerjee has scored centum in English, Math, EVS and Hindi. Alakananda has secured centum in English, Math, EVS and Tamil. And Nilasha has secured centum in English, Math, EVS and Tamil. Shivarya has scored centum in Math, EVS and Tamil. Aditi Balasubramanian has scored centum in EVS. Agneya Narayanan has scored centum in Tamil. Dev Anand has secured centum in Hindi. And Sai Saran has scored centum in Hindi. We know you have worked so hard for this. Well done, children. Now over to Akila ma'am.
I feel immense pleasure to share the success of our grade 2 students in the post-test. First rank is secured by Miss Sai Lalantika, Miss Yashika, Master Jonas and Master Keating. Second rank is secured by Miss Harshita Shri. Third rank is secured by Master Ritvik. Congrats dears for your achievement and wish you all the success. Here comes our A-star rank holders. Miss Abhirami, Master Sai Vishnu, Miss Harshita, Master Shri Eshwan, Master Harshit, Master Jai Adityan, Master Jonas, Master Keaton, Master Muhammad Rayan, Master Rishan and Master Ritvik. Well done children, we know you worked hard for this. Next comes our A rank holder, Miss Harini Kotagiri. Well done Harini. Now I am excited to share the centum holders of grade 2. Miss Harshita has secured centum in English and Tamil. Miss Riya has secured centum in Math. Miss Sai Lalantika has secured centum in English, Tamil, Math and EVS. Miss Yashika has secured centum in English, Tamil, Math and EVS. Master Harshit has secured centum in English, Tamil, Math and EVS. Master Jai Adityan has secured centum in Math. Master Jonas has secured centum in English, Tamil, Math and EVS. Master Ketan has secured centum in English, Tamil, Math and EVS. Master Muhammad Rayan has secured centum in EVS and Math. Master Rishan has secured centum in English and Math. Master Ritvik has secured centum in English, Math and EVS. Master Sai Vishnu has secured centum in Math. I think you have worked so hard for this. Congrats. Over to Anuja ma'am.
Hello everyone. Let's see the result of post-test for grade 3. I heartily congratulate each and every student for their good work and good progress in post-test. Now let us move to the first rank holder of grade 3, is Hanni Jyotilingam. Rank 2 are shared by two students, Samanvita and Shashwat. Third rank by Sai Shreya. A rank holder Kavya, Kaushik, Kritik, Mritvika, Sai Shreya, Samanvita, Sanjana Bhima, Shashwat, Hanni SC, Hanni Jyotilingam. Very well done, children. Try to get the first 3 rank in the upcoming exam. Now let's see A rank holder. It's Bhuvan and Papio. Now let us see the centum holders. Kavya has scored centum in Tamil. Kaushik has scored centum in science. Sai Shreya has scored centum in science. Samanvita has scored centum in maths, science and English. Shashwat has scored centum in maths and English. Hanni SC has scored centum in science. Hanni Jyotilingam has scored centum in maths, science, English and Hindi. Well done everyone. Try to get centum in all the subjects. All the best for the upcoming exam. Thank you all.
Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success. I feel much elated to announce the stupendous success of our little grade 4 champs in the post test on this auspicious occasion. With immense pleasure, I announce the toppers of grade 4. The first rank is secured by Krishna Chaitanya G and Vipin Chandar V. Excellent dearies! Your consistent performance in the exams demonstrate the hard work and perseverance you both have put in. We congratulate you both wholeheartedly. Second rank is secured by Kaushik B. Ram. Congrats dear for being a hard worker. Passing the exams with flying colors proves that you are an achiever with a bright future. Third rank is secured by Chitrita Krish. Your diligent work amid the exams paid off dear. Congrats and keep up the same spirit. Now, I would like to share the list of A-star rank holders. Chitrita Krish, Chintan Krish, Kadar Vishnu B, Mahalakshmi P.S., Kaushik B. Ram, Krishna Chaitanya G, Sai Anujay R, Santosh S, Vipin Chandar V, Arushi Guriwada. Great job, children! Kudos for your excellent results in the exam. We feel pleased to see you accomplishing such great things. Wholeheartedly, we wish you to achieve greater heights in the future. It's time to display our A rank holders. Ajay Matthew S.A., Mithun Khanna R, Surya S.K. We applaud you for the efforts you have put in, dears, and we also would like to see you in the top list very soon. Here comes our centum holders. Krishna Chaitanya G has secured centum in Math. Kadar Vishnu B has secured centum in EVS. Chintan Krish has secured centum in Tamil. Well done, kids! Your sincere and honest efforts help you to nail centum. Hearty congrats on your well-deserved years. Future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Give your dreams the wings to fly. You have everything you need if you just believe. Once again, we congratulate you all and wish you a great success ahead. Thank you. Over to Alan ma'am.
Talents and skills are the crops that are nurtured and grown. Dear children, you worked hard. You succeeded. and now it's time to celebrate. Yes, the much awaited moment has come, and now it is time to acknowledge and appreciate the ardent and awesome performance of a grade 5 blooming and twinkling stars of ology. Now on the list we have the toppers of grade 5. I am elated to appreciate and call out the name of the first topper of grade 5 who has showed up a fabulous performance in her academics and has reached the topmost position in grade 5. It is Sonu S. We appreciate you for the awesome performance and the impressive depth of knowledge you displayed. The second topper of the class is Shrihan S. And we applaud you for the brilliant performance and the excellent attitude you display towards learning and the consistent efforts that has elevated you up to this level. Tejesh Karthikeyan backs the third topper position. Tejesh, we appreciate you for the amazing performance and the interest you display on a wide array of fields. Now, we would like to applaud the A-star rank holders. We appreciate you for the determined and consistent performance throughout the second phase, and we strongly believe that your hard work has helped you to gain A-star. Now on the list is Nandita A, Shrihan S, Sonu S, Tejesh Karthikeyan and Aman Lijo Thomas. Dear children, we applaud you for the efforts you have put in, and we also would like to see you in the top list in the upcoming test. The next online we have the A grade rank holders. Now on the list is Advait Balasubramanian, Hasini K, Sonia S, Sabarish S, Krishwant V, Tim Anto James, Sahana Pradeep and Sija Daphne S. Next comes the centum holders. Kudos to the brilliant performers. I'm truly happy to call out Sonu Yes, who has secured 100% in both English and EVS. I'm sure that this victory is definitely because of your sincere, diligent and consistent efforts you put in to complete all the tasks allotted to you throughout the course of the second term. Next comes the EVS centum holders. Shrihan S, Advait Balasubramanian and Aman Lijo Thomas. Keep up the good work, dear children. Continue to work diligently and soar greater heights of success. Thank you, dear children. We are all proud of you. Wishing you all good luck for your upcoming exam. Now, over to Rekha ma'am.
Feel great to share the stunning success of grade 6 students in the post-test. First rank is secured by Safa. Congratulations, dear. Second rank is secured by Rakshit. Keep it up, dear. Third rank is secured by Shivram. Keep up the good work. Congratulations. Shivram got centum in maths. Very good, Shivram. Safa got centum in maths. Very good, Safa. Now, I would like to share the list of students who have scored 450 and above. Nandini, Safa, Mohammad Danish, Rakshit, Ritvik Nitish, Sai Ramanesh, Shivram. Excellent, dear. Keep up the same confidence. Here is the list of students who have achieved 400 and above. Nikita, Niharika, Shivali, Sistri Agarwal, Suprita Sai, Bharat Raj, and Bhuvan Vignesh. Well done, dears. I congratulate you all for your excellent achievement in the post-test. Thank you.
Good evening, dear all. I feel so proud to announce the wonderful success of our grade 7 students in their post-test. The first rank is secured by Vasudharani EN. Congrats, dear, for being a consistent top grade student. The second rank is backed by Pradaya Vishwanath. Congrats, Pradaya, you are an achiever with a bright future. The third rank is got by Clevensa Panikar. Keep up the awesome work, Clevensa. Now, I am happy to share the list of students who have secured 450 and above. Vasudharani EM, continue your fantastic work, Vasu. Hridaya Vishwanath, keep rocking, Hridaya. Clevensa Panikar, congratulations on your achievement, dear. Shivanarayanan B, fantastic performance, Shiva. It's time to congratulate the students who have secured 400 and above. Gayatri V, superb, dear. Mohita SV, awesome performance, Mohita. Riya Kaila Kumar, great work, Riya. Tavish V, well done, Tavish. This great success is the result of your hard work and perseverance. Continue your fantastic performance, dears. Congrats again.
Dear parents and beloved children, I once again welcome you all to the jubilation ceremony of the post-test. I take great pride in announcing the toppers of grade 8. Neha K. Shankar and Emmanuel Sam Adiraj shared the first position, followed by Anushri Agarwal. Their meticulous and systematic approach has helped them achieve consistently in all the exams conducted so far. Congratulations to the three of you. I would like to specifically congratulate Neha K. Shankar for bagging centum in math. Students with a score of 450 and above in the post-test include Neha K. Shankar, Emmanuel Sam Adiraj, Anushri Agarwal, Lalita Shri B, and Pushpanjali P. A special mention about Pushpanjali, who joined mid-year, but she quickly proved her mettle in a very short span of time. Hearty wishes, dear ones. We wish you soar greater heights in days to follow. Students with a score of 400 and above include Sakrit Krishna, Matangi C, Pradanya S, Naira Sara Sanup, Manup, Shamita Yes, and Prakshana S. I once again congratulate all the children who have worked extremely hard to earn this spot. I hope you come out with flying colors in the future. A wise man once said, education is the passport to the future. The toppers of grade 9 are Monica Shri in first position, Guru Kesav bags the second rank, followed by Tej Aishwarya in third place. Congratulations, dear ones. Your hard work and perseverance is indeed paid off. Moving on to the centum holders, the following students have scored centum in math. We have Harini Shri PR, Mritika Babu, Tej Aishwarya V, Guru Kesav Yes, Harish Yes, and Hariram R. Ritika has scored center in social science too. Aim for the stars and you will reach the roof, goes an old saying. I now present the students who have secured a total of 475 and above. They are Monica Shri, Gurukesha, Teja Aishwarya and Mritika. Students with a score of 450 and above are Nivashini, Harinishi, Rohit VS, Harisansita R, Hariram R, Harish S, and Sai Saugandhika RK. The following students have bagged a score of 400 and above. We have Yashwasan P, Adarsh Atish B, Aarti Gudivada, Chairam R, Aditya SM, Wasim Biji, Ritik Niranjan, Rohit N, and Janet D. Hearty congratulations and best wishes, children. Strive hard to bring laurels to yourself, to your family, and to the school. Thank you.
Dear all, we once again extend our heartfelt gratitude for your gracious presence that has made us inexplicably proud. Your appreciation will fuel us with new advents. Now, may I invite Ms. Vasudharani for the vote of thanks?
Gratitude is the most beautiful way to express all that's in our hearts in few words. Thank you. A very good evening to one and all present. I am honored to have the opportunity to give the vote of thanks on this special day. We raise our hearts in gratitude and thank the Almighty for blessing us with this delightful evening. We wish to express gratitude to our dear and honorable Chairman Sir for his incessant support. And we would like to thank Director Sir and Director Ma'am for braving us. Your presence and gentle words of appreciation is a source of encouragement. From the depth of our hearts, we thank our management for their significant platform that inspires and commemorates our success. A sincere gratitude to all our dear parents for the support that they are rendering to us. At the end of the day, the most crucial point or the crucial key to the child's success is the involvement of the parents. Last but not least, we would like to thank all the blooming stars of Ology Tech School for the remarkable and astounding performance in the mid-test. Hats off, dear friends. Success starts with hard work and ends with the achievement. Who you are begins with what you do today. So let today be the start of something new. Once again, I thank you all.
Thank you, Ms. Vasudharani. The future belongs to the competent. Get good, get better, be the best. We congratulate you all for your outstanding performance. Wishing all the very best for your upcoming test too. Have a wonderful day ahead. Once again, we thank you all for your valuable presence and for making this event a grand success. Thank you.